Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17, and today I'll be showing you how you can apply your lens protection to your brand new device. So I have these ones come with a nice little fancy case, and these are all separate, as you can see. Previously they would come as a single piece of glass that you just glue, but these ones have more of a Samsung-like aesthetic, as you can see. This looks very similar to this. So anyway, let's pop it open. Come on. Oh, there we go. Now below here we have our wipes. And then the actual lens protection. There we go. So, once we get those out, I kind of want to check something out of curiosity. Nope, these are just a little bit too big for my device. I was curious if they're basically the same thing, but they're not. Let's see how much. Okay, they fit much better here. So they're snug around here. Aesthetically, I do want to point out they don't really fit that well. If I bring a little bit more light, you can see this. So anyway, so first things first, we're gonna need to clean off our lens and also the area around the lens, the glass right here. So let's grab our wipes, start off with the wet one. Wow, what a astonishing size. So make sure you go kind of around it, because the glue will be sticking to the green part of the glass rather than the lens themselves. Okay, so once we got that clean, we can get the other wipe. There we go. And just wipe it down. Okay. Now make sure that the lenses again are clean, as in there is nothing on them, no dust. Yeah, looks fine. And now we're just gonna grab these lenses, peel off the thing right here. Come on, there we go. And apply them to the device. This one. And that's two. And there we go. Now push it down just so they glue themselves correctly. And here it is. Applied. Like I said, it's not looking like it's out of the for this device almost, as these look like they're straight from Samsung. So just kind of a bit odd decision right here. Especially that they're black, while nothing apart from the display right here has the same kind of tint. So yeah, but other than that, obviously they're applied correctly. There is no dust under, which will be the important part, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.